was the best choice, but it's too late now. I've committed. Hey guys, it's Victoria, and today's video is going to be my closet essentials for the fall and winter time. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite items in my closet that I love to wear during the fall and winter time, and I'm also going to be showing you how I style these items. Let's get on with the video. So to start off today's video, I wanted to talk about some shoes. Any of these options that I show you are just my personal favorites, and you can definitely mix and match with the outfits that I show you today as well, if you wanted to dress them up or dress them down depending on your own style. So here I have my Blundstones. These are like my everyday shoe. If you know me and you see me at school or anywhere, these are probably what I'm wearing. They're really cute for like a casual outfit, or even something a little bit dressier that you want to dress down. The Chelsea boot style is super cute. It's my absolute favorite, and they're just easy and they go with everything. My next closet essential for shoes would have to be a pair of white sneakers. Actually white. These are my white sneakers that I wear whenever the weather allows. White shoes are just super sleek looking, super clean looking, and they just go with everything. These are my classic Reeboks. They are not super white anymore. I love these. I can pair these with any of the outfits that I show today, and it'll just make it a little bit more casual, super comfortable. And my last closet essential for shoes would have to be a pair of black boots. So my personal favorite are my black booties. I just feel like they go with everything. They're black, and they definitely dress up any outfit that you want to look a little bit more put together for and look like you tried a little bit harder, but these are also super comfortable as well. But another great option would be some Doc Martens if you have those. I personally don't. I don't think I'm cool enough for those, but yeah, another great option. So a turtleneck is definitely one of my favorite pieces to style for the fall and winter time, which you will see in this video. I incorporate it quite a bit into my outfits, but they're just so easy to layer with anything and everything, and it can really make a simple outfit look a little bit more put together. Here I'm pairing it with a silk cami over top tucked into my jeans, and to tie it all together with a belt. It's just a really sleek and easy outfit. Definitely my go-to during the fall. I don't know about you guys, but every single time I think of fall, I think of plaid. These pants are so amazing because they're super stretchy like leggings, but they look a little bit more dressy. And since this pattern is the main focus of the outfit, I wanted to keep everything else super simple, and you could definitely dress this up with some black booties, or you can dress it down with some Doc Martens and some white sneakers. Now, a knit sweater is a no-brainer during the fall and winter time, but I wanted to style mine a little bit different than just the regular leggings or pants underneath. Here I'm wearing overalls just to give it a little bit of a different look, and I did choose black overalls to give it a little bit more of an edgy vibe, but you could always pair it with a pair of blue denim overalls for a more comfy, cozy look. Now, I've seen people style overalls with the one strap being unbuckled, but personally I don't think I'm cool enough for this, so I'm just gonna put it back on now. And since this outfit is a little bit more casual, I wanted to pair it with my backpack just to keep with the style of the outfit. Even though it gets really cold where I live during the fall and winter time, I still love to wear skirts if I'm feeling a little bit more spicy that day, or if it's for a special occasion or something. But the color of my skirt here just screams fall to me, and as well as the texture. It's more of a suede material, so yeah, super fall appropriate. And to warm it up, I'm just pairing it with my trusty Steve Jobs turtleneck and some thigh highs for extra coverage. Another skirt option that I really love during this time of year would have to be a plaid skirt. Like I said, plaid is super fall to me, so I'm just styling it in a skirt version this time, but it's a really great way to look a little bit more festive. It is so important to me to define my waistline because I am built like a square. No curves whatsoever, but you gotta fake it till you make it, right kids? Say it with me, fake it till you make it. Even if your pants fit, I just feel like putting a belt around just makes the outfit look not only more put together and like you tried a little bit harder because you accessorized, but it also just defines that waistline and creates such a nicer silhouette and shape to you. I love overpieces and layering during the fall and winter time. Can you tell? I just feel like with the right overpiece, you can turn a really simple outfit into something that pops and looks way more put together when all you really are wearing is a t-shirt and some jeans. Just changing the overpiece with different textures, lengths, cuts, fits, it just really changes the entire vibe of the outfit. And last but not least, I had to include a denim jacket because it is the holy grail of layering pieces. But this specific one is super great for the fall and winter time because it has the shearling lining on the inside and on the collars. It just looks a little bit more cozy, a little bit more fall. Super cute still. Here I'm just styling with some black jeans, but you could also go denim on denim for that retro vintage look. But yeah, denim jackets for the win. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite and what video you want me to do next. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next Friday. See ya!